Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this chapter, we'll learn how to convert ISO formats to date formats. In our Excel file, we have few dates which are in ISO formats. Let's convert this into date format. Let's give the year hyphen month hyphen the day. Press enter. We'll get the format. Hold Control and press E. I'll get the result here. But if you see, the patterns are not matching. We'll give some more examples. If you see, it says 22/10/2017, but in the next date, it says 22/3/2018, which is not matching. We'll try to give more examples. We just give the day year as 14 and press enter. We can see automatically the dates get changed. So whenever we feel that the patterns are not matching, the result is not coming properly, let's give more examples to get the right results. We can also specify in different formats as well. We'll mention day, month, and year. Press enter. Now we can use Control E, we'll get the result. We're getting the same results here which we got in the previous example. We'll try to change this to 14 and give more examples and say enter, we'll get the result. The format what we're getting here is the number format. We can change this format to any date formats. We can use Control 1 or right click and use this format cells, and we get the dialog box to format the date. We can choose any of the date formats here to convert that into date formats. Thank you so much for watching this video.